First of all, watch these videos. Each one has been created entirely using Grok AI, and the best part is that it's absolutely free. With Grok, you can easily produce eye-catching, high-quality videos tailored for platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube Shorts. By sharing such content, you can attract significant engagement and boost your presence online. It's one of the simplest and most effective ways to accelerate your content creation journey and reach a wider audience. You'll get stunning, high-quality videos enhanced with sound effects, delivered completely watermark-free. As you can see, this video is completely watermark-free and showcases stunning cinematic camera tracking with exceptional visual quality. Let's dive straight into the video creation process and bring your ideas to life. First, click the link in the description to visit the official Grok website. You can easily access it from your phone as well. Once you're on the site, you'll be greeted with a user-friendly interface. To create a video, click on the Imagine option on the left-hand side. This will open a new screen where you'll find a wide range of free, unlimited pre-made templates. These templates allow you to generate videos instantly. No need for images or complex prompts. It's incredibly easy to use. Let me first demonstrate how to create a video using a basic prompt, and then I'll walk you through how to produce high-quality videos using these advanced templates. Enter your prompt in the box below. For demonstration, I'll use a cat walking and looking straight into the camera. Now click the Generate button. Within moments, you'll see high-quality images created with consistent characters. If you scroll down, you'll find multiple variations of the images, some with perfectly consistent features. Next, select the image you want to turn into a video and click Make Video. In just a few seconds, your video will be ready. As you can see, this tool creates videos at an impressive speed. I'll quickly review the sound effects as well. The video quality is excellent, though the sound effects could be improved. Now let's create another video using a fully detailed prompt that I crafted with the help of ChatGPT. After entering the prompt in the box, click Generate. The images are created instantly, and this time, all of them maintain consistent character designs. Once you've selected the desired image, click Make Video, and it will begin generating the video right away. Compared to other video generators, this platform is significantly faster. It produces videos within seconds. Let's play the video and see how it looks. Perfect. The sound effects are also seamlessly aligned with the visuals, creating a truly professional result. Let's explore creating videos using pre-made templates. First, we'll select a template. I'll go ahead and choose this one. Once selected, the process is simple. Click Make Video, and within seconds, your video will be ready. Let's preview it. As you can see, the video quality is excellent, with perfectly synced ship sound effects in the background. To download, simply click this small icon, and you're ready to play it. The visuals are crisp and professional. Next, let's create another video using a different template. Again, select your template, click Make Video, and in just a few seconds, the video will be generated. This one features smooth camera tracking and realistic crowd sound effects, enhancing the overall experience. Now I'll demonstrate how to create a video using your own image. Click on this icon to upload your image, and the video will automatically generate. Here's how it looks: high quality and ready in moments. Let's create one more video from a different image to showcase the versatility. And there you have it. You can now produce professional, high-quality videos effortlessly, completely free, and in no time. Try it out and share your results in the comments. I'd love to hear how it worked for you. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated with more amazing AI tools and tutorials. See you in the next video.